Hi guys, welcome you all to the classes. In this class, we will see with the problem number 19, 2019 question paper, branch account. Let us we understand the problem. X Company Limited, it is a company, is head office at Delhi. Delhi has as a branch at Chennai and it is having branch where Chennai. Then we have to prepare what Chennai branch account in the books of head office. Here, head office are sending goods. Goods are sent to branch at profit of 20 percentage on invoice price. Head office sending the goods to branch at 20 percentage on invoice price. Then we don't require to calculate the profit percentage because they directly given the percentage on sales price or invoice price. Now, all the expenses are paid by head office. Prepare branch account in head office books showing the stock at invoice price. Next one. Opening balances, it is stock invoice prices is there, that is 11,000. Debit side of the branch account, petty cash 100. Debit side of the branch account, datas is not given. We have to find out in memorandum datas account. That again find ಕಂಡಿಡಿದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನಾವು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ branch account, and again it will be called as what, to balance brought down in datas account. Goods sent to branch at invoice price 20,000. It is debit side of the branch account. Next, expenses paid by head office, rent, wages, salary, all will recorded under two bank account, debit side of the branch account. Remittance made by the head offices, cash sales 2,650, that is it will be recorded at credit side of the branch account. Collection from debtors, credit side of the branch account as bank account, and again it will be recorded under credit side of the memorandum debtors account by cash or bank account. Goods returned by branch to head offices at invoice price 300. Again, that is credit side of the branch account, and they have given the credit sales, it will be recorded under debit side of the memorandum debtors account. Next one, balances at end, it's given stock invoice price 13,000. Credit side of the branch account, debtors 2,000, that is it comes out twice in the preparation, one in debtors account credit side by balance carried down, and again in branch account by closing debtors 2,000. Petty cash by closing petty cash 60 rupees, credit side of the branch account. Bad debts 300, it comes under credit side of the debtors account. Allowance to customers 500, it is a discount allowed to customer, credit side of the debtors account. And goods returned by customer, it is a sales return, credit side of the debtors account. This is how with the transaction. We will see now with the preparation of the branch account and memorandum debtors account. Now, first working note number one is what? Memorandum debtors account. They have not given the balance, opening balance. It's a question mark. We have to find. Now, let us record the transaction which is given. They have given the credit sales 22,850 and they are collecting the amount from the debtors. Collection from debtors amount is 21,000 and there is a bad debts 300. Discount allowed 500. Sales return 700, and the closing balance of the debtors is called as by balance carried out 2,000. Make the credit side is more 24,500. From 24,500 minus 22,800 and the balance is 1,700, that is called as opening debtors account, will be recorded under debit side of the branch account. Next, prepare the Chennai branch account. Opening stock, it is given at invoice price 11,000, petty cash 100, opening debtors which we have calculated in the working note number 1, that is 1,700. Goods sent to branch at invoice price 20,000 and there is a expenses, rent, wages, salary 600, 200 and 900, totally 1,700. Next, credit side, that is a revenue by cash account. they are receiving the cash sales amount 2650, and again there is a collection from debtors 21,000, make it total 23,650. There is a goods returned by branch 300 rupees. Next, find out the closing balances. Closing stock given 13,000, petty cash 60 rupees, closing debtors 2,000. By this information, next again we have to remove the what profit. How to remove? Check whether in which entries they are, it is having the invoices price. Opening stock al kottidare. How to remove? By stock reserves account data to branch account, in branch account by stock reserve, that is amount 11,000 into 20% 2,200. Again there is a profit in goods sent to branch also 20,000 into 20% 4,000. There is a in closing stock is also having a profit by stock reserve 13,000 into 20% 2,600, and again profit is also included in goods sent to goods returned by branch 300 into 20% 60 rupees. Then make it total, that is credit side is a more, the amount is ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 45,210 and 45,210. From 45,210 minus all the debit balance, then the finally balance will be called as what? That is profit to general P&L account 8,050 rupees. This with the problem number 2019 question paper 14 marks. Now next we will see with the next chapter. By this I ended with the branch account with all the problems and all the adjustment related to your examination for understanding also. Hope you all are practicing, but hope is, I have a hope, but I am not finding sure that everyone are practicing. ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಬರೀ few members only 5 6 7 only countable students you are seeing the video classes. Again ultimately the result will be fall on you only, the benefit receiver you, but if you are not seeing and the losers you only. My part is done. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಂಥ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಲೂಸರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.